Hi, good evening. Today I'm going to cook chicken, spicy chicken, country style. Then first the chicken need to cook, need to boil. Then later on, we have to remove the bones. Then well, fried it, okay? You can see what will happen. We will cook the different style, okay? Thank you. Here is the chicken meat. Boil with water 20 minutes. We collect only meat. We don't use skin and bone. Okay, only we have to fry chicken meat. Hello. That's the why. Okay, little bit. Little more. I don't want too much wine, that's why it's saving oil. Okay, then hang on, it's okay. Then this one is green onions. Too much onion this time because this time is spicy. Onion, too much onion, okay. Then so I need turmeric powder, okay, here you are. The country styles are too much spicy. They are eating too much chili. So we cannot. Sometimes we cannot eat too much. This time is too much chili powder. They love spicy. Ooh. How about you? This time, too much. Okay. Then I would like to show you this one. Oh, look like this. Okay. Then the garlic and ginger. Garlic and ginger here. Then what? Chili powder. Too much chili powder this time. Hey, hey. Ooh. This little bit of spoon, so too much. Should be smack come up. Here is boiled chicken already. Okay. Hang on. Already crush it. A little bit of salt. Okay. Yeah, a little bit of fish sauce. Okay. Then what? That is masala. Okay. This one, garlic salt. Yeah, there's also black pepper. Okay. No. Okay, more too much. Yeah, this time. I'm scared it get up too much pepper. I don't want it. Okay, hang on. Too much, we have to mix together. Can you copy my recipe? And you can fry like that. The chicken, spicy chicken, okay? The first, chicken meat. Then boil with water with this, okay? With the boil in here. Then we have to take off bones. We have to take off skin. Then only chicken meat. Then we crush it, little bit crush it. Then we can leave it. First, this pan just boil. Then turmeric powder. Then onion, garlic, ginger, then a lot of chili powder. Ooh. Then chicken, crushed chicken in it, put in it, and we fry it like this, okay? You can eat different foods, spicy. You can eat with rice or bread. Okay, then you have a nice time. You can drink with green tea. It's good for you. Then like that. And with this green tea in it. Okay. Then I would like to show you. Oh, look, one nice, very little spicy. Ooh. Okay, ready? I will show you. Oh, this one. Come on, look at this. Ooh, looks spicy. Do you see the chili powder? Ooh, look wonderful. Should be later should be drying, okay? Okay, that's it. Hello. Yeah, I dance with this one. Ooh, look nice, smell. Oh, spicy smell. spicy smell. Then the chicken will be a little dry. So then we can eat it with rice or bread or some with noodles or with this mixed together. Then you can eat it. Ooh, very nice. That is the countryside, Myanmar countryside. They are eating like this. Oh, too much spicy, too much, too much hot. Okay. Anyway, you can get the new recipe. This spicy chicken recipe. Okay. Thank you listening my video. Thank you very much. Okay. Tomorrow I will go to Minneapolis to see my daughter, my son over there. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you. Happy 4th of July. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.